Okay, this might just be the video where I lose a few of the followers or maybe gain some of you for life. Welcome to my unpopular, slightly controversial opinions. I'm not gonna over explain them because as a people pleaser, मैं जिंदगी भर वही करते हुए आई हूँ, and this video is supposed to be fun. So don't take it too seriously. It's just me sharing my opinions. Maybe you'll relate to some, maybe you'll hate me for some, but do let me know in the comment section which were the ones that made you nod in agreement, like really. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay, just because you can have kids doesn't mean you should. I come from a family जहाँ पे बच्चा करना is considered as a default checkbox in life. मतलब कोई heart to heart conversation नहीं होगा, कोई introspection नहीं होगा, कोई awareness नहीं फैलाई जाएगी in the kids. It's just a natural step that you should do after marriage. और मुझे लगता है this is the perfect recipe of just passing on the family trauma. मैं ये नहीं चाहती हूँ अपनी लाइफ में. आई वुड लाइक टू बी दैट पॉज बटन. मैं अपनी फैमिली का ट्रॉमा जो बचपन से देखते हुए आ रही हूँ, आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू पास इट ऑन टू माई किड्स. सो या, पेरेंटिंग इज अ प्रिविलेज, नॉट अ राइट दैट एवरीवन शुड जस्ट exercise. And honestly, I think some of us really do need therapy before having a baby. Some of the best makeup that I've ever tried has been drugstore. I said what I said. Expensive doesn't always mean better. It basically means that you're paying for the prettier packaging and probably a celebrity campaign. I have officially found the best Indian cosmetic brand that delivers quality and is affordable as well. Say hello to Blue Heaven, where everything slays under 300. Starting with the Hyper Sketch eyeliner. इसमें ये शेक की आवाज सुनाई दे रही है आपको? इसमें एक स्टील बॉल है विच कीप्स द फॉर्मूला फ्रेश एंड डजंट लेट इट ड्राई, जिससे आपको हर स्वाइप पे जेट ब्लैक पिगमेंट मिले. इसकी टिप इज सो शार्प, चाहे आप बिगनर हो या प्रोफेशनल, इट विल मेक योर विंग लाइनर्स सुपर इजी. 12 hours, no smudge, no drama. Then we have the 2x Kajal. इतना insane pigmentation है and lasts for up to 36 hours. Trust me, आपको टचअप की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. Infused with aloe vera, ophthalmologist and dermat approved, and also comes with an inbuilt sharpener. इससे ज्यादा आपको और क्या चाहिए? The Lash Twist Mascara is a game changer. It's waterproof, it's clump free, and gives you that lash curling effect without curling any lashes. And is also super affordable. Finally, the ultimate non-transfer lipstick in the shade 10. Oh my god, ये इतना underrated है. पता नहीं क्यों लोग इसके बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. It's matte but also hydrating at the same time. Thanks to shea butter and vitamin E. Transfer proof है, smudge proof है, lasts up to 12 hours. And 12 stunning shades में भी आता है. So चाहे चाय डेट हो या शादी, you are sorted for all of them. And last but not the least, I actually love their Blush and Juicy water tints as well. One of the most affordable and best quality tints I have ever tried. इतना naturally glowing from within वाला look आता है with this water tint. I love it. So चाहे आप अपनी dream vanity build कर रहे हो on a budget or looking for products just for travel, Blue Heaven is the perfect answer. High performance, low prices and 100% desi. What's not to like? Okay, can we stop pretending that a group of 10 plus people is actually fun or actually close? मुझे लगता है either you spend all of your week time in just planning out a get together जो कभी नहीं होता है, या फिर you actually end up in smaller groups within the larger group. I would prefer just 2-3 close friends, a wine and a gossip session at home. I prefer that over having 12 plus people. I think college level tak fir bhi it was possible because all of you were in the same college attending the same classes, but once you hit the adulting level, it's not at all possible. And it's also very tiring. Okay, if you're constantly rolling your eyes every time somebody plays something popular like Diljit Dosanjh, Taylor Swift, Sabrina Carpenter, then you are not cool. ठीक है, तुम्हें पसंद होगा अपना underrated psych या जो भी jazz वगैरह म्यूजिक तुम्हें पसंद है, good for you, it works, but just dissing or hating on pop music is not cool, doesn't make you cool. Pop is popular because people vibe with it, and that is not a crime. I feel there are still people who find hating on popular music to be their entire personality, and I'm sorry, I cannot stand you. Religion is good, but in moderation. I said what I said. I find religion at its core is beautiful. It can give your life structure, hope and comfort. But अगर उसके साथ आपको एक superiority complex भी हो रहा है, you are turning it into an obsession and it's become your blind faith, then I feel like you're crossing a line and it's becoming dangerous. मैं यूपी से आती हूँ जहाँ पे same religion होना भी is nothing. आई गेट जज फॉर बीइंग अ डिफरेंट कास्ट. मतलब मेरे साथ तो लिटरली ऐसी कॉन्वर्जेशन हुई है जहाँ पे लोगों ने मेरा पूरा नाम सुन के उनके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस चेंज होते हुए देखे हैं मैंने. प्लीज फाइंड पीस इन इट बट डू नॉट लूज द ह्यूमैनिटी इन इट. मुझे लगता है सबकी इज्जत करना एंड बीइंग काइंड तो सबसे बेसिक टीचिंग होती है जो सारे रिलीजन्स में आनी चाहिए. एंड इफ यू कांट इवन फॉलो दैट और डू दैट देन you are no better than me. Female creators often cater to male gaze. This isn't just my opinion. Actually, मैंने एक reel देखी थी and I just can't find it again. That reel made me more aware of it. I do feel a lot of the content that we consume or even produce is unintentionally catering to what appeals to the male or what traditionally is said to be appealing to the male gaze or just attractive to males. जबकि I always felt like internet is the place जहाँ पे women are ruling. Because मेरी at least YouTube की पूरी audience is 85% female only. Can't say the same for Instagram, unfortunately. And that is when I realized I think I also fell for that agenda. Like I've had a few reels that went viral and I was in a swimwear. And मैंने कहीं ना कहीं अनअवेयर हो गई कि whatever this, the only reason that swimwear reels is working, even though the comments are mostly my female audience, but it's still getting viral because it was appealing to the males. It was going on to that side of the internet. And yes, मेरा पूरा Instagram का male to female ratio बिगड़ जाता है उन reels से. Because it is true, anything remotely sexy does work on the internet. And even though I kept saying कि हाँ, I'm doing it for myself because I want to feel sexy and blah blah blah, but I still feel it went through the lens of what is attractive and sexy but not slutty, still soft, according to the male gaze. मुझे लगता है female gaze is completely opposite to that. It's more creative, it's more soft, it's more feminine in a way, and it's more comfy as well. If I just want to take some examples, let's consider Sydney Sweeney and Komal Pandey. None of the males I have ever seen has appreciated Komal Pandey, but we girls love her. On the other hand, Sydney Sweeney is like the perfect male gaze ki symbol, current times at least. Not judging her for whatever she did with that soap campaign, but yeah. I hope I made my point clear. I think I want to make a different whole video about this topic. Okay, remember there was this couple trend on Instagram and TikTok going very viral. Ki, people would be asking certain situations and the other person has to answer whether it's considered as micro cheating or not. And that is when I thought of this. Now, I do not believe कि मेरा partner cannot follow attractive women or like on their photos or posts. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. मैं तो डंके की चोट पे बोलती हूँ कि मुझे शाहरुख खान सबसे ज़्यादा हॉट लगता है अभी भी. बचपन से बोलते हुए आ रही हूँ. So ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. We are all humans. But this specific situation I feel is cheating. अगर आप किसी की स्टोरी पे स्पेसिफिकली थर्स्ट ट्रैप पे you're sending hearts or you're sending fire emojis, I'm sorry, no, that will be cheating for me. That will be very disrespectful for your partner as well. I'll tell you why. Because I feel like वो जो आपने emojis भेजे हैं, that is something very personal. That is just one-on-one conversation that is going on. You are literally sending a fire emoji on someone's hot selfie. I am sorry. Please, that is flirting. And also, you are committed. अगर पूरी दुनिया को पता है and you're still doing it, I hate it. ये मेरे साथ हो चुका है. 2-3 लोग who were committed, I just knew their partners also. उन्होंने मेरी बहुत पुरानी सेल्फी में कभी रिएक्ट किया होगा and I felt so uncomfortable. But yeah, if you're committed, just don't do it. Like करना and reels पे like करना is very different. It's normal. It's just supporting your friend or somebody you know. But किसी के thirst trap stories पे react करना is not normal. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but this is one personal ick of mine that I get from men. And I really hope you haven't come across such men as well. But there is a certain category of men who feel like they deserve a lot because they are a decent human being. Like they respect women, they help in the household chores, and they do not yell at women, they treat them with respect. वो उनको उन गंदी नजरों से नहीं देखते apparently, and that is why they deserve the best हूर की परी in life. और मुझे it literally boils my blood. ये जो सारे आपने गुण गिलाए हैं मेरी पूरी गर्ल गैंग में है. Nobody looks at the other men with havas. Nobody disrespects anybody around them. But hey, we know we are just decent human beings. What do you mean you deserve something? What do you mean you need a medal or a bravery का act just because तुम्हारी पूरी जात, just because तुम्हारे पूरे जेंडर ने एकदम गड्ढे के नीचे स्टैंडर्ड सेट कर रखे हैं, doesn't mean just you being a generic average respectful human being makes you deserve anything more than that. I think मैं trigger हो रही हूँ बोलते भी. I hate it. I just hate some guts that men have. Also, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इन लोगों ने ना बस एक लिस्ट बना ली है of all the things that women no longer find hot or just women can outright call them out for, and उनको लगता है कि अब वो ये फसाड या एक इमेज पोर्ट्रे करके उन्हें लड़की मिल जाएगी, और दैट दे डिजर्व अ वेरी गुड गर्ल. बट रियलिटी मुझे मोस्टली ऐसा लगता है कि इफ यू सिट एंड टॉक विद देम, इफ यू स्पेंड टाइम विद देम, उनके अंदर की मिसोजिनी ना टपकने लगेगी थोड़ी देर में. थोड़े दिन बता के देख लो, आई स्वेयर टू गॉड दे आर नो बेटर देन द अदर मेन. I don't hate men. I have a lovely boyfriend. I love the men around me as well. I've always had great male friends as well, genuine ones. It's just, I still don't like their genders. Okay, I had to go twice through my list and I feel जितने भी points बचे हैं, they are mostly anti-men. So I'm gonna stop. मुझे realize नहीं हुआ था ये video बनाते हुए that I wrote a little too much against just something I don't like in men. Anyways, thank you for watching till the end. Let me know which were the points that you really like, which were the points that you did not agree with as well. And let me know what are your unpopular opinions. Give me some masala. Comment section में बताओ. And also hit the like button and subscribe if you're watching me for the very first time. And let me know if you want more of such chill sit and talk wali videos. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Till then, stay happy and hydrated. Bye.